Hi there, and welcome back to Belleville Toyota. I'm Bronwyn, and in today's video, I will be demonstrating what to do if your smart key battery is dead. Typically, I see batteries last between 3 to 5 years, depending on how often the guest is driving and using their vehicle, but it is good practice to change your battery every 2 years or so to avoid low batteries. You will be prompted on your vehicle screen when your battery is starting to get low. I will also link the video for putting the smart key into battery saving mode down below. Let's get started. A dead fob battery will prevent the use of keyless entry, so you will have to remove the key from the fob and use that on the driver's door to enter the vehicle like so. Once you get inside the vehicle, you will likely still see the notification on the screen warning you of the low key fob battery. It does give you a nice early warning when the battery is getting low, so if you want to avoid these steps, just make sure to get that battery changed when you first start seeing the prompt. Otherwise, we are going to start the vehicle by putting the key fob as close to the push button start as possible. I even use it instead of my finger to push the start button. If your battery is completely dead, you will get 1, sometimes 2 starts using this method, and after that, make sure you are driving somewhere to get a new battery before you shut the vehicle off again. Now I will show you how to change the battery. Locate the lever on your fob, push it to the left, and pull out the key from the fob. Where the key went, you will see a horizontal rectangular opening. Fit the end of the key into that opening and twist the key to pop open like a clamshell. It may sound to you like you just broke something, but I assure you the sound is completely normal. And you will see this little battery sitting in its housing. To reassemble, simply flip the battery side back into the bottom half of the key fob and click the top half back on. Again, it may feel like you are breaking it, but make sure you give it enough pressure to click securely. Then slide the key back inside the fob and you are done. And of course, if you're not comfortable changing it yourself, you can always get some assistance from your local Toyota service department. And that is all on what to do if your Toyota key fob battery is dead. I'm Bronwyn from Belleville Toyota. Thanks so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video.